My name is Justin Scrappers Morrison. I'm the main helper at Stay Wild magazine. I help people share their stories with other people. Sometimes it's a video, sometimes it's as simple as an Instagram post, but most of the time it's making a cool magazine. I started Stay Wild magazine with the good graces of all the people that kicked into the Kickstarter. I always wanted to work at a magazine like Stay Wild, or a brand, or an ad agency, or a shop, or anything like it. Something that inspired people to live their lives to the fullest. I don't know why I thought I could find that somewhere else, and I didn't. And so, slowly, as the years went by and as my beard grew a little more gray hairs, I realized that this place I want to work doesn't exist. So I have to make it. As it turns out, I wasn't the only one that wanted to see this thing happen, since so many people showed up to support it and still show up to make it happen. For each issue, I want to say it's like really well curated, and we have this vision in mind and like a theme, but really, I mean, the truth is, it's whoever shows up that determines this collection of stories that goes into each magazine, and it's just, maybe it's luck, maybe it's destiny, maybe it's the great mystery power, I don't know, but it's always like just the right collection of things that are just different enough but kind of have like a reoccurring theme. It just has this beautiful order that falls into place. We rake in all the chaos and then just kind of stand back and look at it and make sense of it. And each issue ends up telling one solid, beautiful story that at least inspires me, and I think it inspires other people too, to either put the magazine down and get out of town, or just get outside and go have fun, or like use the magazine like we were doing the other night to start a campfire. It's cool to see how much it's changed. Like who I thought we were making the magazine for is not exactly who we're making the magazine for. The more we do it, the more we see who shows up, who participates, and who sticks around. I don't know 100% who reads the magazine, but it's people who are actually doing things. A lot of times I'll see on our Instagram people that are leaving comments, I'll check them out, I'll follow their feeds. And it's always like someone who's really into stand-up paddling and fucking hunting snakes in Florida. Or another person that defines themselves as a mountain mermaid. What does that mean? I don't know, but I fucking love her pictures because she's always jumping into these frozen lakes that she spent 2 days to hike to. It's a pretty diverse group, but it's all people that are actually participating in what we're calling the wild, or this adventure lifestyle. So it's not just like passive consumers of culture, it's people that are actually creating culture, that are making the magazine with us and enjoying it too. So I think as long as we keep paying attention to them, then we'll be serving an actual community.